to increase the labor pains or open up the cervix faster. Hot liquids, dates, what they have already told you. You can just have a walk, you can have squatting positions. All those things are the positions which helps to open up the cervix faster. It's not relieving the pain, it's just opening the cervix faster so that you deliver faster, so the pain goes faster. The labor pains are the one which cannot be it can be completely reduced with epidural, or it can be just reduced with diverting yourself, breathing exercises. Basically breathing exercises helps a lot. When you breathe in and out during labor, you relax at the time there is no labor, the intervals between the two labors. These all things helps in reducing the pain, or I can say it makes you more stronger to continue the pain and accept that pain. Labor pains are such which there is nothing to reduce the pain. It's just epidural. If you adopt for epidural, yes, you will reduce the pain. But epidural also should not be given before 3 centimeters, because it is scientifically seen in cases that if the epidural is given at the starting of the labor, like when patient comes and we have just it is just 1 or 2 centimeters or just like that, or patient has come with only water leakage but mouth is not open, cervix is not open, and if we give epidural, there are increased chances of failure of epidural as well as opening of the cervix, and then patient is handed over for CS.